Kajing terang banwan ra kajing kelah ka imlang sa lang kadai kajing temu ka babha ha ka babaro ki kwa nrai kumno ban le eka kadai da ki kam bat kani ka long ha ki babon rukom kumta kum shibenta ban pen sngo tho pat ba kajing dan kam ban wan ra ki jing kelah ha ka imlang ka sa lang ka wai ni ki seng traimon sngo bha ka Association International de Etudiants and Science Economic and Commercials ka AIESEC Shillong haringkat kajing snok ti lang bat ka Meghalaya Model United Nations kala penlong ka Impact Week ni ka tayo ban pen sngo tho yaki samla halor ka jingtmu jong ka United Nations 17th Sustainable Development Goals kablas dang na snam arja khatsan menta kasngi ka khatsan tarik risau arja arwar ka bari kasngi sedang ya ka Impact Week la penlong da ka Global Goals Run hak balawan bani sem menta da ki babun ki nong song snong jong ka nong ba Shillong ki bakan thop na do ki khnaret hado ki balasan balarang ba ya ka ni ka marathon la phia ki ar menta ka balai kilometer bat san kilometer balas sedang na do Don Bosco Square ter sa Police Point Beat House Fire Brigade St Edmunds dhan gati State Central Library bat penkot ha Don Bosco Square hi. Nakaliang Shillong Mail Kyrwoh Atiar uliyo banyakran bat iway na kinong isim penta barang batam ibak sanborm karmau plang ban rup san senam karta iber penpa kejing sutenat ban yoklat ban isim penta hakane kejing imare.
So tenat masuk kemen bangayo I yakane ka jingtha jong yakane ka jingtha mare yakane ka marathon par ka banika ngai I na pa WhatsApp te kita masih I na masih dengaru kalau ketik nama bangi degi dia giba jumare gi I gi jing mare tengala kuat dik bannya yo benta bannya sementa te ban le hi ngam nang ban le online te kan perlu jengala penyerang ban ilap le ban kita ngal ayo bannya sementa ban ketika jing mare akan dikesngi
Layok ru banyakran bat ka director ka AIESEC Shillong kabalay thu ba ka jingtmu ban penlong ikane ka program ba sitayo ka long ban pen so thu iki samla ban wan sikmat na ka benta ka jingtmu jong ka United Nations kabalong ka wei ka kunhon jong kiri ka parthai ba pet ba khmi ya ka bha ka miat jong kiri baro ban wan ra ka song sok song sngan da ka ba train na du ka try du jong ka imlang ka sa lang ban pen bha na du ka kot ka khya ka puli dang le ka jingken te ka yok ka kot bat ha ka ju ka por ban penne pensa ya ka mei maryang da ka ba pen slori khon samla ban Siem ya ka jingkit khli ban long ki nong ra jingsuk ha ka imlang ka sa lang.
Hello people of Shillong, I am Pello Seno Shaiza, the director of AIESEC in Shillong. We are organizing this program called Impact Week with the objective to raise awareness about the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals. The whole program of the 17 Sustainable Goals was started in 2015 by United Nations to ensure that by 2030 we are building a very sustainable world. And for that, we are starting this year here in Shillong with the first program of having a global goals run. Today we had the marathon where we had a 5-kilometer and 3-kilometer run. This whole aim was to ensure that we are running for a particular sustainable SDG number 4, quality education. All of this fund from the registration is going towards the second program called the World's Largest Lesson. So the world's largest lesson will involve young students from different colleges of Shillong participating, volunteering at 2 of the schools in Smith, Don Bosco and Mount View School. So we will be raising awareness, having with them the action steps that can be taken towards achieving the 17 goals, SDGs. And after which, on the 19th, we have the Literary and Cultural Festival, which will culminate the entire Impact Week. In the Literary and Cultural Festival, we will be having extempore speech, essay competition, photography, painting, best from waste, that is an arts craft competition. And we will also be having the debate competition, which will be moderated by the Meghalaya Model United Nations. The entire objective of this program is to ensure that we are building more awareness about the 17 SDGs, and this is organized by AIESEC in Shillong. AIESEC is the world's largest youth-run organization. It is internationally present in over 114 countries, in over 2,000 plus universities. what we provide is we provide cross-cultural exchange programs with the aim that we can achieve peace and fulfillment of humankind's potential. And we look forward that we believe that leadership can be built in anyone and everyone. So with that aim, we have started the Impact Week, and today we start with the Global Goals Run. And we had participations from across colleges in Shillong as well as citizens of Shillong, with the youngest runner as young as 9 years old and the oldest runner as old as 65 years old. Thank you so much, Shillong, for participating in the Impact Week. We look forward we can achieve the Sustainable Development Goals by United Nations by the stipulated time, that is by 2030. Thank you.